Hello Education 570, and let's get started on checking out Module 4 of the course. Let's head to Course Content. And then Module 4, Using Technology to Enhance Classrooms. Through this module, you'll be able to describe strategies to individualize instruction, and then collaborative learning will be important, and an example of technology in action. So how do we keep individualizing and helping students collaborate? Module 4, Introduction. Please take time to read over that as you start this module, how to use technology effectively, and then some overview of this section as well. The required readings for this week: watch at least 3 of the 5 videos, all about different ways to individualize learning with technology. Check out the websites, and select at least 1 of the following library articles. Our first discussion, 4.1. For this discussion, begin with our desired instructional goals. Describe at least 1 idea for how you intend to implement or improve individualized instruction. Now, switch those gears and share at least 1 idea you'll use to implement or improve collaborative learning. Reference the resources from this module as you dream as well. Your first post is due on Wednesday at midnight, and 2 more posts due by Sunday at midnight. Technology in action, technology exploration. All right. So we've got 3 options for this week. This week you have 3 options. Your task is to play with at least 2 of the tools and then post an initial post for 1 of the options. Okay, so you're going to try 2 and you're going to post for 1. Digital storytelling, iPad apps, and WebQuest. So to pick out 2 of these to try and then post about 1 of them. Your post is due Wednesday at midnight, and responses on Sunday at midnight. Make sure you are also following all of the technology in action discussion guidelines and rubric, which, if you click here, you will find in here, this section. Okay, so make sure you're answering all those different spots. And the last thing is the questions, anyone, if you have any questions about anything with the course. All right, looking forward to a great Module 4 with all of you. Again, if you have any questions, please remember I'm just an email away and happy to help. Have a great week, everybody.